Is it okay to use classes as dictionary keys in Python? I am about to write a function that finds a correct handler for a class. To achieve it, I want to use a mapping from classes to handlers. I've already checked that it is possible to use classes as dictionary keys, however I am not completely sure if it is the right thing to do. My main concern is, if it is guaranteed that if I have a class imported in two different modules, these two will have the same hash. But maybe there are some other aspects that I should consider. If idea of using classes itself is wrong, then I will use class names, but that would require me to keep them unique, so I would prefer to use classes itself. Edit, I have made a test. This prints true, but I am still not sure if there is a way for it to be false for the same class.
It's perfectly valid, but note that what you are doing is fake adding a method to that class. Consider whether it would be better to just add appropriate methods to your classes, either in the normal way, or possibly just by gorilla patching. It might not be, but consider it.
It's perfectly valid to use a class as a dictionary key. I've done it a couple of times already. However, inheritance will not work, that is, a handler for a class will not apply to its subclasses, which may not be what you want. _row_ could be useful in that case, but this solution seems wrong to me.
This is perfectly okay, since classes are objects themselves. For objects, the hash key is their memory location, which is guaranteed to be unique. Let me get a reference.
However, in Python 3.6 this does not work with subclasses anymore. My example is a hierarchy of 3 classes and it fails with type error, unhashable type, subclass of subclass.